Boy oh boy, is it an exciting day or what? Well, as you can tell from the title, what's inside this box may just very well be the BlackBerry Passport. What's interesting about this is that earlier, actually, I had a dream that it was an AT&T BlackBerry Passport, but I'm hoping that that is seriously not the case because that's not the one I ordered, and if it ever is, boy oh boy, that's going to be problematic. So, in order to find out, the only thing we'll have to do is just cut into it. Now, I'm gonna start here, and in the frame, no. Okay, now I am. Now in the frame. So, yes, let's see something blue. So it looks like it is a BlackBerry Passport. It's not gonna be in retail packaging as it was, but as first, let me check this box, make sure it's okay. Mobile base. It's a bit of glare from the other camera. Hopefully, it won't look too bad. Should I get rid of it? Maybe move it away a little. I just get rid of it. No, it's gonna make the video kind of dark, but I think it's better without the glare. So, I don't know. Okay, I should just stop fiddling on it. Let's just open this. Dark or not, we'll just get into it. And wow, indeed it is. Come on, video, don't be grainy. Focus. Sonum, I don't know, man. I don't know about this Sonum thing. See if we can see a little better there. Okay, there we go. Now we can see it. In China, these third-party USBs are often no good. Oh, actually, no, some of them are good, but some of them you have to be aware of. Like, if you're going to get a third-party USB, typically it has to be something like Anchor. There's some other ones out there, but Anchor's just one of them that just comes to mind because they're the ones that often see the best reviews, and I've used them personally, so I can say that they're actually legit. And here I am struggling to open this thing while I have some scissors I can use. Actually, let's just pluck it off to the side. Who cares? What I care most about is this. And thankfully, it is not the AT&T version. I don't know why the AT&T version showed up in my dream. It's very, very odd. Got my first BlackBerry back January 2014 on the 4th. So it's been almost 5 years since I received another device. Wow, how crazy is that? This glare though, this intense glare. Ain't it awesome? Looks like a rainbow star. This is, wow. Wow, these buttons. Well, actually, let me grab Mr. Q10 and we can actually do a comparison. But just before I grab him, I'm going to power him up so he can look more interesting. And we will load up something called running crowd. Then we're gonna have to turn off the noise for that because we don't want to hear the sound effects. So here we go. There. So as you can see, it is noticeably larger. Wow, it's like it just swallows it. But then again, its keyboard is also a lot bigger because they have more symbols and stuff on it. The other one, it does not. So it should be interesting to see what the typing experience is going to be like, because I heard that it's going to be pretty different, especially if you're used to having 4 rows. And a lot of people were saying, okay, if they ever had to do a Passport 2, they should definitely have a 4th row, but they didn't. So you don't know. Yeah, the camera model is also. Oh, look at the size of that! Whoa! Look at that. That is so much bigger. It's like, wow, camera, come on, focus. You gonna focus, or do I have to? Oh, okay, looks like I have to do it. There we go. But seriously, though, look at that. And look at this. It's like a dime and a loonie. Okay, maybe that's a bit dramatic to say, but seriously, though, the difference is crazy. Now, all of a sudden, everything was looking really yellow there. Looks like I was kind of running by accident. So obviously, I guess I probably should power this up. Actually, before I do that, let me pop this off. So yeah, I don't know how to do that, you know. I tried watching unboxing or something, but I still don't know how you actually take this thing off. Whatever. Or should I power it up in this video? I don't know. Maybe I want to test the headphone jack. Actually, no, if I'm going to say that, I might as well just power it up. Come on. So, oh, powered up. So that means it has some juices in it. There's a good old classical BlackBerry logo. Yeah, I know there's a lot of glare on the screen, but who cares? Or perhaps you want it off. Then again, if it turns off, then the video is going to be pretty dark. So it's just something we'll have to bear with. Or maybe I can move it somewhere else. No, we can deal with the glare. Verifying and securing device. Okay, so this part might be pretty boring. Actually, no, let me just turn it off. There we go. Yeah, I know it's going to be dark, but at the same time, I think it'll be better because we don't want to be staring at that obnoxious glare. Whoo, now everything looks really noisy. Can you see that? Can you see the noise? I sure can. So we're going to do something about that by shining a light here. There we go. Wait a second. Somebody didn't clear their data. Why am I seeing all of this? Whoa. Yeah. Somebody did not clear their data? Yeah, that's really interesting. Because normally when you boot up a device, they're gonna tell you, give you like language options, they're gonna, things like that. But to see this just immediately boot up, and then I'm seeing this, it's like, whoa. And look at this, check this out. So, does this phone have a clean, whatchamacallit, email? I butchered the word, but that's very suspicious. I don't know how to get out of there. I can only use BlackBerry 10 devices, but this one's a little bit different because of the missing fourth keyboard. Okay, I guess I can fire up the camera, see how that looks. Yeah, that works. The screen's looking awfully dark. So let's just dive into it and go into settings so we can learn more about this suspicious phone. Okay, so we have... where should I go first? I guess just to go to the part that tells me about the device, like the name, the hardware, whatever. So this is SQW100. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to restart this thing because it's not supposed to just start up like that. That's kind of weird. I think they want me to actually reset it because this did come out of Vancouver. That's why we're seeing Pacific time zone. So maybe they just set it up because I wanted to test it, but as to why they didn't reset it before they shipped it, that is something I do not know about. So now I will close this, go back to this, and let's hopefully do some settings more. Actually, should I even be exposing some of this information? Probably not. Maybe I have to edit it out. Who knows? Well, actually, no, I don't think there's anything super sensitive, like the bands, the serial number. Yeah, I think I might have to probably remove that. So, I can serve as a reminder to myself. Actually, I'd like to play a game. But where's the game? Should probably actually adjust the brightness because it looks really ridiculous. Have to connect to our network, so never mind, we can't do that just yet. I guess I should just put it down and probably call it quits right here. And yeah, got it from the mobile base, although I'm not going to be able to buy anymore because I think I bought the last one. I think there is still one more left. Okay, so before the video cut me off, I was just talking about the mobile base, and I actually got to poke around with this phone a little bit more. Earlier I said that I think this phone was somebody else's and how they have to date in it. It's not. It's just something that the company set up temporarily. Now, I will make more videos on this thing later, but for now I want to just try and get some apps onto it and just get more comfortable with this strange 3-row keyboard. And if you take a close look here, look at the differences in screen resolution. Okay, first we need to get this guy to focus. Look at this one. It looks like, I don't know what to say, almost yellow. And then you look at this. Look how bright this is, and look at this. All because this one is 720 by 720, and then this one is 1440 by 1440. I don't know what that qualifies as. I don't know if that makes it like 2K quad HD, whatever. But all I can just say is that it clearly makes a big difference in pixel density. So if you want one of these, probably drop a link down to Amazon, maybe some other places. And now I am out once this thing focuses again. Okay. All right, done.
Did you like this video? Because I sure did. I've been lusting after this provocative smartphone for a while now. If you own a BlackBerry Passport, which color do you have? Black, white, red, silver? Maybe you own all of them? Comment, rate, like, subscribe, share, read my blog for information, and visit my Twitter page for my latest tweets. And do not forget to also participate in the polls located in the top right corner within the eye circle. The harp playing in the background sure makes you feel nice and relaxed, doesn't it? Not. Anyways, have a Merry Christmas and a blessed 2019 New Year.